Hello everybody, Smith back again. I got some hobby football boxes I'm breaking today. I had a Super Bowl squares bet with some friends, so we're going to be opening up a box of Clear Vision, 2011 Prime Signatures, and 2014 Totally Certified. Now, I was skunked and my buddy Jeff was skunked, so I got some skunk packs. So Jeff, all 6 of these packs are for you. First 3 packs are 2011 Topps Hobby Football. So let's see what you get. Hopefully we can get a nice rookie for you. Johnny White rookie. Patrick Peterson rookie, that's pretty nice. Got a cold card. Trent Cole. Numbered 2011, of course. Got AP. As a Lions fan, I'm sure you love that. Blair White, Andrew Johnson, Packers, and Lance Moore. Alright, pack 2. Gronk. Meacham. Rookie of Polaris, the wrong Panther there. Quentin Carter, rookie. Holden Smith, rookie. Sweet, black parallel of Matt Castle. And that's numbered to 55. Not too bad there. More Lions love here. Urlacher and Peppers franchise. Keller, Harrison, and Whitney. Alright, last pack of 2011 Topps. Alright, Peyton Hillis. Following Dylan Cardi, Stephen Ridley. Super Bowl legends Ray Lewis. Record breaker Sam Bradford. Jonathan Stewart. Emmanuel Sanders. Steven Jackson, rookie Williams. So I got a couple numbered cards out of the top packs. Now I got 2013 National Convention Panini pack. 2 thin ones, and the third pack's a little thicker, so maybe there's something in that one. Got Sidney Crosby. Got a hockey pack. Sade. True Colors. I don't think either one is numbered. Alright, pack 2. Oh, Mike Trout. That's cool. 2013 Mike Trout. And a Jay Cutler. Alright, third pack. A little thicker pack. Alright, Alex O'Checkson, whatever his name is a pretty good player. And the thick card. Oh, sweet. Relic card. Gavin Escobar. Nice 2-color there. And these are not numbered. Oh, there you go, Jeff. Sorry you got skunked, but at least you got a couple nice cards here. Alright. So the first quarter winner was Kirk. And he gets 2 packs of Totally Certified. They fell over, so I'll take the top 2 packs for Kirk. Alright, pack 1. Linton base, Frank Gore base, Williams base, a nice Russell Wilson base card, and the hit. Jordan Matthews, number to 50. 28 of 50. It's got a little patch, little seam there. Not too bad. Lower numbered. Alright, pack 2, Kirk. Ben Roethlisberger. I got a red parallel. Jarvis Landry rookie. That's pretty nice. Number to 100. 6/100. And a Landry hot box here. Ryan Matthews, and the hit, an autograph, Robert Herron. Got a little chip on the top of the card. And that is not numbered. Sticker autograph. That's it for you, Kirk, on that pack. These 2 packs. Alright, now the second quarter winner was my friend Billy, so he gets the other 2 packs. Alright, Billy, first pack for you. Lamar Miller. I got a blue of Ed Reynolds. And blues are numbered to 15, 18 of 50. Johnny Manziel, Victor Cruz, and the hit, Trent Murphy base autograph. Not numbered. Alright, that's your first pack. Alright, second pack, totally certified. Derek McFadden, Jimmy Graham, Dante Moncrief, Sean, and your second hit, Team Carey base jersey. So 2 base, an autograph, and a jersey for you, Billy. Alright, that's it for that. Third quarter winner was Billy, and he won the box of 2015 Clear Vision. There's 1 autograph per 9 box case. Right here, and there's definitely a thicker pack. Let's do that for last. Alright, Billy, here you go, pack 1. Vincent Jackson. Devin Smith, rookie, nice. Brandon Marshall, rookie revision. Alright, pack 2. Aaron Rodgers. We got a numbered, was it blue parallel to 99, Richard Sherman. That's pretty nice. And Mike Evans. Alright, pack 3. We got Thurman Thompson, Decoy, Melvin Gordon, rookie, and Ben Roethlisberger. Alright, next pack. We got a Tony Romo, Drew Brees, and what is this? Oh, that's a pretty sweet looking card. Clear Vision, Jameis Winston. I haven't seen this set. I haven't seen this card. Pretty neat. Alright, this one feels like it's got the glass card in it. Joe Namath. A very nice Derek Carr Clear Vision. And a Derek Carr base card. Alright, last pack. Lawrence Taylor. Trey Mason. And hit Sammy Coates patch. Look at that patch. Sweet. Number to 49. That's a pretty cool card. Good looking card. Alright, congrats, Billy. That's your box of Clear Vision. And the final box, 2011 Prime Signatures. That goes back to Kurt. Looking for some J.J. Watt or Cam Newton. A.J. Green. Alright, here's the pack. Drew Brees, numbered to 499. Prime Proof, Delangelo Williams to 49. And kind of a cool card coming up. Vernon Davis, number 499. And he did not get a rookie. I'm not sure who this guy is, but it's numbered 1 of 49. Billy Halton. That's pretty cool. Congratulations, Green Bay. Congratulations, Kurt. That's a pretty good hit. That's it for this Super Bowl Squares bet. Thanks, guys, for getting in. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.